Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Café Pho. This unique beverage combines the rich, bold flavors of Vietnamese coffee with subtle, aromatic spices, creating a truly distinctive experience. We will walk through each step, from selecting your ingredients to the final pour, ensuring you achieve the perfect balance of sweet, strong, and fragrant notes. Get ready to elevate your coffee game with this exceptional recipe. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of a robust, dark roast Vietnamese coffee, ideally ground medium fine. For sweetness and creaminess, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk ready. The unique pho essence comes from 1 small star anise pod, a tiny pinch of ground cardamom, and an equally small pinch of ground cinnamon. These spices will infuse a subtle, warm aroma without overpowering the coffee. First, place your desired amount of sweetened condensed milk at the bottom of your serving cup, along with the star anise, cardamom, and cinnamon. Next, assemble your Vietnamese fin filter directly over the cup. Add 2 level tablespoons of your coffee grounds into the filter. Pour about 20 milliliters of hot water, around 95 degrees Celsius, over the grounds to allow them to bloom for 30 seconds. Then, slowly pour an additional 100 milliliters of hot water into the filter, letting it drip completely. Once all the coffee has slowly dripped through the fin filter, carefully remove it from your cup. Stir the rich, hot coffee vigorously with the condensed milk and spices until everything is well combined and the milk is fully dissolved. For a classic cold café pho, fill your glass with ice cubes and pour the mixture over them. You can also enjoy it hot. Garnish with an extra star anise pod for an elegant presentation and an enhanced aroma. Enjoy your unique café pho.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.